Hi everyone, welcome back for today's video. I'm excited because today I'm going to share with you this wig that I'm wearing. I know some of you are looking for colored wigs and you guys always ask me what company produces the best colored hair. In my opinion, I'm giving it based off of years of dealing with this same exact company. So this wig today is a beautiful 13x6 wig. I bet you didn't even know it was a wig. If you're new here, you probably thought this was my hair. So this company I feel like has a variety, endless variety of colored wigs because they go beyond that basic 427 color. Let's get into it. Today's wig comes from RPGSHOW. Let me show you everything and how it comes and how easy it was to install. Like they give you a dust bag so that you can store your wig. You should always keep this bag if you want to protect your wig. So in your box they give you the wig, which I'm super excited about, and you guys know we love color. They give you a tamer. This is what I like to use to tame frizz. They also give you some tape. Now I do have a tutorial on how to apply your wig with tape, but today I'm gonna give you a different demo. And they also put an edge band, a wig cap, and then they always provide, this is the travel case if you want to travel with your wig. The first bag is a storage for at night, and this bag is a travel one. Out the box, this is what the knots look like. Since this wig is a lighter color, the knots are basically pre-bleached. The hairline looks really good, as you can see. I can tell already that this is going to blend really well. So this is what the lace look like. This is their Swiss lace, and this is the cap construction. You can always insert your straps back in, but it does come with the strap that you take in and out, and then it comes with the built-in adjustable strap with the combs. This is what I'm going to use today. Before I install, I'm going to go ahead and remove this extra lace from around the wig. So I'm just going to start over here at the sides. So as a tip for those who still have problem with your tape application, take the tape and stick it inside the wig. Somebody suggested that if you stick your tape inside your wig first before putting it on, that you get a better hold. So I'm going to stick just the ear tab areas with the tape today. You can do it around the hairline if you would like. But I highly recommend this because I did try it and I found that it instantly stuck down with no problem, even though I don't really have problems with the tape sticking when I do it on my head. But if you do, that's a tip if you want to try it out. After you cut the lace, all you have to do is just slide it on. This wig, they do have cap size options. Push this hairline back so we can see it. The color is so pretty. So very pretty. So this is what it looks like out the box. The curls, I mean, they are so defined. I don't have to do any curling to the hair, and it has so much body, and I just really like the way it flows. We're getting into all the details in a second. So with the tape, and it should just pull right on off. So I'm just gonna stick that down. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Oh, this is why for me I like my light colors, because it just blends so effortlessly. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, just make sure you don't have any dips in your tape. Make sure it's laying flat and press down. Now I don't even need to use any melting spray around the hairline, as you can see, because the lace blends very well. And just like that, this is not even a wear-go wig and I'm already done. Like, I'm already done. A big factor on how well you are able to get your wig to look good is going to also come down to color. For me, and this is being completely transparent with you guys, with me being of a lighter skin, black wigs, I do feel like I have to hide and blend a lot in order for it to work for me, but I do make it work, so it is workable. You make it look easy. It's easy if you know your technique. So I know my technique and I know what works for each style. So when you're choosing your wig, choose your color correctly, and I think you won't have so many issues. And even this color, even for anyone that's darker than me, I've seen so many flawless installs with colors like this. For me, it's just black dots sitting on my forehead just don't blend right. But this wig, as you can see, don't have that. Everything just looks so good. All right, since I'm done, let's go over details for this. I've said this before and I'm gonna say it again. If you are a person that like color, if you like to wear colored wigs, I find that RPGSHOW has always had the best colored wigs. The best, hands down. They are able to produce so many different hair colors. It's not a lot of companies that can do so much color, but specifically RPG Show, they have different stylists and they color wigs beyond the regular, what is it, 427. They go beyond that. They have so many different ash blondes and burgundies. They have so many different color options on their websites. This company I definitely recommend if you are looking for colored wigs. I do have a coupon code for you guys where you can get $100 off if you use my code Marie. I will link it in the description box. This is a 13x6. This is their fitted 2.0 cap, so it helps this area right here lay flat so you won't get any bulging when you go to install your wig. The density is 200%. This is their 200% density. That's how full it is. Let me show you the back. And their lace is Swiss lace, tinted transparent Swiss lace. Blends very, very good. So I don't even see that lace. I don't know if you guys can see the lace. Let me know. So I'm going to link this wig in the description box. Be sure to check down there, y'all. I will see you all back in my next video. Thank you so much for joining me back for today's video. Subscribe and like the video.